हेलो गीगाबाइट, मैं अभिषेक बोल रहा हूँ। आई एम फ्रॉम नोएडा। मैं एक प्रोफेशनल फिल्म मेकर हूँ और एक म्यूज़िक प्रोड्यूसर भी और एक सिंगर सॉन्ग राइटर। मेरा मोस्ट ऑफ द काम जो होता है वो वीडियो एडिटिंग बेस्ड होता है, लेकिन दिक्कत ये है कि सारे सॉफ्टवेयर चलाना वर्क फ्लो इतना बड़ा बन जाता है कि प्रोसेस उठा ही नहीं पाता है मेरा कंप्यूटर।
Hey,
Hello.
hi. How are you guys?
Very well.
How are you?
I'm a filmmaker by profession, a cinematographer, a music composer, and a singer-songwriter. We are an indie rock and pop band. We just surfaced onto the planet, and we're coming out with a show soon. And apart from that, I've worked with Z Music on some music videos. I've done 2 or 3 short films that have gone for festivals, and I've also participated in the film projects, that Indian film projects, and almost come to like a runner-up position. I played all games since childhood, like Call of Duty, Assassin's Creed, Battlefield, even Dota. My favorite of all is Call of Duty. No one can beat the storyline of Call of Duty. It's the best storyline and it keeps you hooked to the scene, and I love the characters. When I came across this competition that AORUS and GIGABYTE really put out, and I was really interested in it, and I applied for it, hoping that maybe if something happens, I might get shortlisted. And winning was way far away from me. I didn't even think I would even win this competition. Like, I just put my name in, like maybe if I'm lucky enough, I'd get the chance. And then one day I just opened my mail up, and I'm shortlisted. And then they said they want a video. Like, why do you want it? And I really wanted a PC because I couldn't get that back when I needed it. And suddenly the dream faded off. And then one day I see this Facebook post, and I'm like, I'm the winner. And I got my giveaway, and I'm really happy about it.
The thought process that it was more like collaboration with Makemyrig and FOX My Box to create a one-of-a-kind PC. Because both Makemyrig and FOX My Box get their own set of expertise. Right? We wanted to give this PC to somebody who deserves.
Yeah.
So much deserves.
Thank you so much. I definitely.
I'm really glad that you like the PC. And so just want to introduce Jacob, who's the owner of Makemyrig. He's the guy who built the PC, put a lot of thought into it. And then Ankush Tera from FOX My Box. He's the guy behind the design. Wow.
I hope you like the design, and Jay has.
I hope you like the software that you
No, I tell you what. He's also worked very hard on building your PC, and the small, intricate personalizations that he has provided is something that even I like.
So, thank you so much, Jay.
Thank you. My pleasure, man.
Thank you for your hard
pleasure.
work.
So
Coffee Belater.
just really happy that you're happy seeing this PC.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
we hope-
Really
yeah.
happy.
Cool. Thanks, man. Congrats.
Thank you.
I'll thank you, brother. Okay. Lovely meeting you.
पीसी मेरा खराब, मुझको दिला दो नया पीसी। पीसी मेरा खराब, मुझको दिला दो नया पीसी। AORUS GIGABYTE, thank you.